In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a pre-downloaded theme in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you've downloaded a theme and want it to match your brand or style more closely, I'll walk you through the essential edits so your slides look cohesive and professional. Start by applying the theme so you can see your changes as you work. Go to the Design tab and select the pre-downloaded theme you want to edit. If it's installed correctly, you'll find it in the theme gallery. Click it, and PowerPoint will apply it to your entire presentation. You can also preview different options by hovering before you click. Next, refine the color palette so it suits your content. On the Design tab, look over to Variants, open the Colors menu, and choose Customize Colors. Here, set your text, background, accent, and hyperlink colors. Accents control shapes, charts, and icons, so pick shades that contrast well and meet accessibility needs. When you're done, give the color set a clear name and save it. This creates a reusable palette tied to your theme. Now adjust the typography so headings and body text feel consistent. In the Variants area, open Fonts and either pick a pair or choose Customize Fonts. Set a headings font for titles and a body font for paragraphs and bullet points. Aim for readability and a clear hierarchy. Save this font set so it becomes part of the theme and applies across your slides. For deeper control, switch to the Slide Master. Go to the View tab and select Slide Master. Editing on the top master slide cascades changes to all layouts beneath it. Here you can place a logo, tweak placeholder positions, set default bullet styles, and define background elements that shouldn't be edited on individual slides. If you need different looks for specific slide types, adjust the relevant layouts in the left panel. When you're finished, click Close Master View to return to your presentation. If you want to fine-tune the look of your backgrounds, head back to the Design tab and choose Format Background. You can use a solid color, a gradient, a picture, or a texture. Keep it subtle to avoid distracting from your content. If you like the result for the whole deck, click Apply to All. Otherwise, leave it applied to just the selected slide. Finally, save your work as a new theme so you can reuse it. On the Design tab, open the Theme drop-down and select Save Current Theme. Name it clearly. It will appear in your theme gallery for future presentations, complete with your colors, fonts, and master layouts.